Ever launch a beautiful leather notebook and then watch 1-star reviews kill your sales? Yeah, that hurts. Trust me, I get it. Hi, I'm Leo from Line Paper. Let me help you avoid that. A leather notebook looks simple, but every choice matters. Cover, size, paper, binding, and logo. Each one changes how it feels, how it writes, and how long it lasts. At Line Paper, our team in China and Cambodia make samples faster. We take the real pens on your paper. We pull and bend the box. We check corners, rivets, and cutoffs. The goal is clear. No bad surprise after your place order. If you plan a new leather notebook, scroll down, use the buying checking list in this article. Then send me your target user, price, brand, and a photo of any sample you like. I will turn that into a clear spec and a timeline you can trust.
Follow Line Paper for better leather.